thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jayda Jonét, and I am back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that I got from WestKissHair Company's Old Faithful. One of my favorites of all time is WestKiss. Y'all know they never do me wrong ever, so you know I had to come through with the install. Today I will be installing this 24-inch BODYWAVE wig. Something super simple and super plain. I love a good BODYWAVE wig, especially from WestKiss. That's one of my favorite textures from them. It's always so soft and so nice. So first I'm starting out with my ball cap method, getting that all flat and nice for the install, prepping that skin to make sure that no makeup or no oils are on it. And I'm going to apply my Erica J adhesive skin guard too. Excuse my face. I am still a little bit puffy from getting my wisdom teeth pulled, which is why I've kind of been gone for a while. It's slowly but surely going down, and yeah. Also, act like y'all don't see my armpits, because yeah, I actually shaved them literally right after I started installing the process because I had to go somewhere. So we ain't gonna act like we just ain't see that. I was trying to zoom and trying to hide it, but baby, it's natural. So yeah, oh well. So here I'm installing the wig using Erica J adhesive. This is my favorite glue to use. It just does the job. It does everything that I need it to do, holds and lasts, and it just sets everything perfectly. So I'm applying that about 3 layers until it dries clear. So next I'm going to apply the wig into the glue and making sure that everything is flat so it'll lay, and that is what y'all see me doing. Next, I'm going to put on my elastic band. This is just going to help it melt down into the skin real nicely. Leave this on for a couple of minutes and then we take it off and cut the lace. And yeah, this is how we're looking all close and personal. I think it looks really, really good. So after you do all that, you kind of got to figure out how you were going to style the hair. Personally, I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I know I wanted something kind of out of my face. So I was like, okay, let me do a little pull back. Initially, I was going to do a middle part, but I was like, nah, not feeling the middle part. I'm getting that for my birthday, so I wanted to switch it up. So I ended up doing a little slick back, and y'all see I actually was about to pull a piece, but I was just like, nah, we're going to pull some hair back and do a nice sleek vibe. There is not much to this process. I am using Got To Be spray and Got To Be gel to get this hair slicked back. I'm also using a hot comb and a wax stick to make sure that this hair molds itself into place. I'm going to wrap the sides first, and then I go back with the middle part and I add that to the ponytail, if that makes sense. You can kind of see what I'm doing.
She don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. My killers don't tell. Shut down my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. fast and do what you want. In the meantime, I can stop doing what I want. Need some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, I can stop doing what I want. Need some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Once the sides were sleek, I decided to go in with my baby hairs to make it even more type smooth. So that's just what y'all see me going in and doing, just to make sure everything is super seamless.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, stop going where I want. Need some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide what I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, I can stop doing what I want. Need some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, I can stop doing what I want. Need some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
I decided to go in with some light wine curls just to make that hair have a little more, you know, pizzazz. This hair was already perfect as is, and I definitely could have wore it kind of wavy like it was, but I decided to add a little curls. So here's the finished product. I had to hurry up and go to a birthday party, so I didn't go too deep, but major shout out to WestKiss for sponsoring this hair video. I love their hair. As always, they're like in my #1. Haven't worked with them in a while, so I was super excited to do it once again. All links will be in the description box below. Thank you all for watching. Get into the look, and I will see you guys in the next video.